how to set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Klaviyo website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. So over here, we need to do is go to campaigns, and in the top right hand corner, we're going to click create campaign. Firstly, we need to name the campaign. You then need to select the date that you want to send it and choose whether you're doing an email or an SMS. And we, of course, are doing an SMS. And then you can add a tag if you want. That's just for your own reference. So, for example, if you were doing a sort of holiday promotion, you could add a holiday tag. Once you're happy with all of that, click save and continue. You're now going to select your recipients from this drop down menu. So you've got all your different lists in here. You can select quite a few if you want to. You can then select don't send list again. So if you want to exclude anyone, you can do that. You can also choose to skip recently messaged profiles. So anyone who has been messaged within the last 24 hours won't receive this. Obviously, you don't want to be bombarding your audience with constant messages. You've then got some tracking options down here. If you want to have a play around with that, you can, but we're just going to leave that off for now to keep it nice and simple, and down in the bottom right hand corner, click continue to content. And here we're going to start creating our message. On the left hand side, you can type your message directly into this box. So let's enter something about a deal that they can get with a link to our website. And you can see in the preview on the right hand side, the link that we've entered is different. And that's because it automatically shortens the link. But you can change that down at the bottom here with this toggle. You can also add an emoji if you want to by clicking on here and selecting one from the menu. Once you're happy with all of that, go up to compliance at the top. And you can change a few things, toggle this one off. It's going to remove the business name at the beginning of the message, and some of these won't be available to you based on where you are. So just bear that in mind. For example, you have to have the unsubscribe link in certain countries. Once you're happy with everything, go to the top right hand corner, and we're going to send a preview just to check everything looks as it should. So you're just going to go ahead and enter your own phone number in there and click send preview. And once you're happy with everything, go to the top right hand corner and click save. And here it's going to ask you if you are ready to send. So it's going to ask you to read through all of this and just double check all of the details. And if anything is wrong, you can click the edit buttons to change them. But if everything is as it should be, you're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to click schedule or send. So that's how you can set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. That's all for this video.